The Owen James Report is
brought to you by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Donna!
Hi, Sophie!
I brought my friend to set up her plan. Donna,
Hi! It's been so wonderful. From the moment we walked in, I felt really at home. My financial planner was so easy to talk to. She understands me. I know what I want. I feel like she really wants me to achieve my goals. It's easy. I am happy.
You deserve people who really stand for you. You deserve JMMB. Welcome to the family. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.
Good evening. This is the Owen James Report. The Jamaica Stock Exchange's junior market continues to be an attractive option for small, growth-oriented companies. This morning, Caribbean Cream Ltd became the 17th company to be listed on the exchange. Managing Director of Caribbean Cream, Christopher Clark, said he was fascinated not only by the initial tax-free component of the market, but also by the phenomenal growth of companies listed. Thus, listing for him was an easy option for growing his business. Stocks and Securities Limited were the lead brokers in this latest listing. Blaming structural impediments that continue to dog the Jamaican economy, Group Strategist for Scotiabank Jamaica, Dr. Adrian Stokes, says the bank's prognosis is weak growth for the island in the medium term. He was speaking at Scotiabank's client-centric event Conversations on Wednesday.
For you won't see robust growth in the short term, irrespective of what happens in the international market. You know, keep in mind that Jamaica was growing subpar, even when the world, prior to 2008, was growing above 5%.
Is business confidence returning? I asked Scotiabank's President Bruce Boyne at the same function.
Absolutely. I mean, confidence is an interesting thing that just as it starts deteriorating before people notice it and talk about it, and I think it works the same on the reverse. I think the pure fact you've seen the currency settling down, the panic, not that people are feeling comfortable yet, but the panic is out of the market.
Good news for the Jamaican dollar now. It strengthened against the three regularly traded foreign currencies today. In other words, the US and Canadian dollars as well as the British pound weakened against the Jamaican dollar. The greenback declined by 2 Jamaican cents, closing at an average selling rate of $98.98, whilst the Canadian dollar fell by 50 cents Jamaican to close at $97.14. Sterling fell by 72 Jamaican cents to close at $150.29. Now finally, in our business intelligence feature, the Grace Kennedy Group, hit by the impact of the debt exchanges, had frozen salaries for the first 6 months. Now, in the wake of a new Jamaican economic program, the group is thanking staff and possibly doing more.
They have been dedicated and loyal to the Grace Kennedy Group, and they have been understanding in terms of the economic environment in which we're operating in, and that's how we have handled it. In terms of no real mass redundancies, but we have frozen the wages for this first 6 months and are going to be reviewing it early July.
And that's the Owen James Report. Good evening.
The Owen James Report was brought to you
by JMMB. If you're serious about saving, you deserve JMMB.